Hello, good morning. In the previous class, we have seen the constituents of nucleus. What is the nucleus and definition of nucleus? What are the other part of the atoms and what are the descriptive of the nucleus? So, in the today's topic, we are going to start the new topic, that is the properties of nucleus. Properties of nucleus. So, what are the properties we have to understood? So, first is the charge. So first property is the charge. So what is the definition of charge? If Z is the charge number of nucleus, that is the number of protons in it. If Z is the number of charge of nucleus, number of charge is nothing but the number of protons. Okay, number of protons in it, then the charge on nucleus, then charge on nucleus is equal to plus ZE. So this is the charge on nucleus plus ZE, where E is the positive charge equal to the charge on electron, positive charge or any charge, positive or negative charge, is equal to the this E is the positive charge is equal to the charge on electron, and this value of E is equals to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 19. Sorry, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and the unit of charge is the coulomb. Okay, so this is the value of E, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So okay, so this is the first property, charge. Then second property is the mass. If A is the mass number, that is the total number of nucleons in the nucleus. If A is the total mass of nucleus, and we know that the nucleus contains proton and neutron. Okay, so this proton and neutron mixedly called as the nucleons. That is, this is nothing but that is the total mass of nucleons. This A is the total mass of nucleus, that is the total mass of nucleons in the nucleus, and that is Z proton and A minus Z neutron. If A is the total mass of nucleons, that means if Z protons is involved in the atoms in the nucleus, then A minus Z is the neutron. Okay, so then the mass of nucleus is very nearly equal to A atomic mass unit, that is 1 AMU, that is atomic mass unit, is equals to the value of atomic mass unit is the 1.6604 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Okay, so this is the 1 AMU, means the total mass of the nucleus is equal to the mass of total mass of the nucleons is equal to the atomic mass unit, that is AMU. Total mass of the nucleus is equals to the 1 atomic mass unit, and this value is the 1.6604 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg, or it is known as, or it can be always written as the 931.48 mega electron volt. Okay, there is a capital M, means the mega, 10 to the power minus 6 electron volt. Therefore, the nuclear mass and written as the capital M and suffix capital N, so is equal to capital A and small mn. So this is the formula for the nuclear mass, that is the capital suffix capital N is equals to A into small m into small n, suffix capital N. So where this small m and suffix capital M is equal to the mass of nucleon. Mass of nucleon. Okay, so this is about the mass. This is the second property, mass. Third property is the radius. Third property of nucleus is the radius. So what is the radius of nucleus? As the nucleus is approximately spherical, its volume is proportional to the number of nucleons in it or its mass number A. As nucleus is spherical, okay, we know that always atoms are spherical in nature, spherical in size. So therefore, its volume is directly proportional to the number of nucleons. We know that number of nucleons is nothing but the A. A is the number of nucleons, means the mass of nucleus. It is nothing but the mass of protons and mass of neutrons. So this is the mass of nucleon, or we can see that its mass number. A is also the mass number, and we know that volume of C, that is the 4/3 pi r cube, is directly proportional to A. That means the volume is directly proportional to mass number. So where R is the radius of nucleus, R is the radius of the nucleus. Therefore, if we calculate these, R, that means the radius, is directly proportional to A to the power 1/3. Okay, here we can write firstly R cube is directly proportional to the A. Simple manner. This is a constant term, so we can differentiate the term R cube directly proportional to A, and if we denotes that is the only R, so it is directly proportional to A to the power 1/3. Okay, means this power going to is equal to side. So this is the radius, and this value of R, and if we remove this proportionality sign, we take some constant, so therefore R is equals to R0 A to the power 1/3, where R0 is equals to, where R0 is the value of R0 is the 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. R0 is the constant we are taking here for the constant sign. So this value is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So it is nothing but the 1.3 Fermi. It is also known as 1.3 Fermi, and 1 Fermi is equals to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. So this is the value of 1 Fermi. So the next property is the density. Fourth one property is the density. That is also known as the charge density. So the nuclear density it is nothing but the rho and suffix capital N. This N for the nucleus, and this nuclear density is equals to, we know that density is equals to mass upon volume. So we have the nuclear mass nuclear mass divided by nuclear volume. Okay, density is equals to mass upon volume. So here we are calculating nuclear density. So therefore here the nuclear mass and nuclear volume, we know the value of both. So nuclear mass capital Mn is equals to A into small mn is equals to, nuclear mass is the value is 1.67 into 10⁻⁻27 kg. This is the value of nuclear mass. And nuclear volume is equals to, 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, 4/3 pi r cube. So this is nothing but we have the value of r. So r is equals to r0 to the power 1/3. So put this value, we get the new value, that is the 4/3 pi. Here r0 a to the power 1/3 and cube. Okay. So if we calculate this 1/3, 3 cancel with each other, we get the 4/3 pi r0 cube and a. r0 cube and a. So therefore rho into capital N is equals to, means nuclear density rho n is equals to, if we put this value, nuclear mass, that is the 1.67 into 10⁻⁻27 kg and divide by 4/3 pi r0 cube a. So this value, after calculation we get the new value, that is rho n is equals to 1.816 into 10 to the power 17 kg per meter cube. Okay, so this is the density of the nuclear density rho n. Value of density is 1.816 into 17 kg per meter cube, as the density of the nucleus is independent of A. Here there is no any representation of A, here the A, but after calculation this is the cancelled. So here there is no any notification of A, that is density of the nucleus is independent of A. Its value is almost the same of all the nucleus, means as there is a number of atoms and the density of any nucleus, any atom and any nucleus, means it is the same, appropriate with the any nucleus, that means the same. In other words, the nuclear mass is proportional to the nuclear volume or size, as density is independent of A, that is density is not depend on the A, so therefore its value is almost same. Almost equal to any nucleus. Okay, or same of all nuclei. We can same to all, same of any nucleus or all nucleus. In other words, nuclear mass is directly proportional to nuclear volume or size. So these are the 4 properties of nucleus. The remaining properties we will see in the next class. Thank you.